Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the chat. Type the message you want to style, then press and hold a word to highlight it. Once done, drag the blue handles to include the full phrase you need. Make sure to look for the contextual menu that appears above the selection. On some devices, you'll need to tap the three-dot overflow to reveal formatting options. This immediate selection step ensures you change only what you intend and prevents accidental styling of adjacent text. Now you apply the style. Choose bold, italic, strike-through, or monospace from the pop-up menu, or type the markers directly. Asterisks for bold, underscores for italic, tildes for strike-through, backticks for monospace. Once you apply one style, you can nest markers to combine effects, but be careful with spacing. A missing marker will break the formatting. Make sure to preview the formatted segment in the input field, so you confirm how it will look before sending the message. Finish by sending the message and verifying the formatted text appears correctly in the chat thread. If it doesn't, first check for stray spaces or unmatched markers. Formatting requires markers to touch the text. If the menu options are missing, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date and restart the app. Device keyboards or third-party input tools can interfere, so try the default keyboard if problems persist. One quick restart often restores the expected formatting behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.